Hi guys, it's been like days, but this is a Eastern Cape. I mean, this is Port Elizabeth. Ngoku sinyukile from Eqonce King Livingstone. This is PE sizobona umakhulu wami for Christmas. So sifike nge-18, I mean nge-20, and even not 20, 21. Okay, my parents arrived this morning from one parent from Durban, and from Cape Town. So we're here to spend. Lizile apparently undiqumbele, so that's why engandithethisi engekho ngokulevel kundiqumbele because andithe mangadj. So ndifuna nimbone guys uba uqumbele nanku. Lizile, talk to your people uba you are mad uqumbele. Nanku guys. Explain why are you angry. Explain why you're angry at me. Talk to the people. Talk to the followers. Talk to your subscribers. Tell them why you're angry at me. Walk it like I talk. Walk. What is the problem? Uteni. Lizzie. Uteni. I'm gonna post this. Lizzie, huh? Teta. Uteni. So nama akhaladi la. Teta Lizile. Hayibo. Lizile. Uyabaza abantu balapha. Lizile. Utheni awuzimphendula utheni andizukwazi ukuyeka kaloku ina makhosi bamfo. Hey guys, update. We are in we are in PE, as I said in the previous clip. We're going to rise with Lizile. So right now we are, it's Christmas Day. Merry Christmas. Askavas, but I'm still in PJs. I just woke up. I woke up at like 10 o'clock. And yeah, always a circular Christmas meal in some other house. Yes, breakfast. Because by the time with like porridge. Yeah, with like a whole cooked meal. But it's fine. Gogo amanzi usanomisa amanzi uzawuvasa and we're gonna do a drip check. Yes. So yeah, and stay tuned. And later we are going to New Brighton to our other family members. So you're gonna enjoy this day with us. And so I'm gonna update in cookings because right now Mama Mulene for sure in Bizazoto. So we don't know what's happening, but yeah, catch up. Yes. Hi. The nyama, the meat, the nyama. Look at that. Oh. Wait. Drip check. First face. Yeti news. Yo, it's what? Obsessed progress. Tango. Jen. Only the view and sheesh. The least and the most important one, sneakers. Merry Christmas. Okay, drama is a face. Oh, I'm a face. I'm gonna skip 300. I'm gonna let Jean 600. I'm gonna let Turkey 2K. So that's 2.6 in England. Awesembili. Lile andifuna ukuveza ke lema kule mukhraza ngiveza. Ngifuna ilanduze into le enye ilanduze buyenzini. Wenze KFC. Nanzava. Nenza ne beans. Chakalaka ipizza guys. Chakalaka. Okay. Chakalaka. And then you potato salad. Friggini. What else? And rice.
Silver rice.
We are done.
Yeah, silver rice.
That's okay. So we are done for today. We are going with this. After this, we're not gonna eat sustenance food. It's a family photo shoot. Lovely. We have laundry. And also taking pictures. It's the happy valley. Yes, I almost joined that valley in the north. How are you feeling, Liam? Liam, how are you feeling?
It's nice.
Someone say scrumptious.
I'm not.
I'm feeling scrumptious, hey?
I'm feeling scrumptious, yeah?
Yes,
Scrumptious, yeah? I'm feeling scrumptious there.
yeah, I guess we put. Ayong gom. Now you. Oh, mas. Sakana. I see. Yo. Zazazel. No, I get post cantata. Keep on walking. Johnny. Keep on walking. Johnny Walker. Lizile, hi. How do you feel today? I'm feeling inspired.